All right, so we have this new idea that they're presenting to you, that two curves are said to, if two curves that are said to cross at right angles if their tangents are perpendicular at the crossing point. When two curves cross at right angles, we call that them being orthogonal. Can we show that these two curves are orthogonal at the origin? Well, to find that they're orthogonal at the origin, I need to find their two slopes and then compare them to say that those two slopes cross at right angles. And I think the relationship between two slopes that cross at right angles is that one is the negative reciprocal of the other. So let's go forward on that. Let's find out the first curve. Y is equal to sine of 2x. That leads me to say that dy dx is equal to derivative of the outside, leave the inside the same, multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is our chain rule, or 2 cosine 2x. Let's do the other curve. Y is equal to negative sine of x over 2. That leads to dy dx is equal to negative cosine, leave the inside the same, multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is 1/2, or negative 1/2 cosine of 2x. Are we okay? Okay. Okay, at the origin, at 0, 0, yeah. I did that improperly. There, good. All right. Being even more proper, I really should do this. Let's call this x sub 1, or say y sub 1. Let's call these y sub 2's. So at 0, 0, I can actually say that dy1 over dx is equal to 2 cosine of 2 times 0. Cosine at 0 is 1. So this is just 2. And then dy sub 2 dx is equal to negative 1/2 cosine of 0 over 2. And that's equal to 1/2. And now ready for our conclusion? Because one slope is the negative reciprocal of the other, these two curves are orthogonal. The two curves cross at a right angle.
Is there like a correlation between like the ortho and orthodontist? Like I'm serious. It's like that a prefix like.
I don't know.
We'll find that out.
No, I mean, Don is the one that actually leads you to the tooth.
Yeah.
Dentist, Don takes, yeah, but it's worthy of a look. I'm not sure, but orthodox. So I like Josh. I like that it has to do with straightness. And orthodoxy means you follow a very straight path.
Yeah.
I could see where those two things could be related. Okay, we use the term orthogonal. Oh, that's interesting. We use the term orthogonal to refer to two curves.